This is what happens when 12 leaders with disabilities travel together in Colorado with Wheel the World.
Hey, it's Chelsea. Is this the Wheel the World trip?
My guide dog, Elton John, got invited.
I'm Mason, and I hope the accessibility is good.
He's not allowed to fly alone, so I came with him.
I'm really looking forward to pushing my limits.
Many people believe that traveling with disabilities is hard, almost impossible.
It's very lucky to be included on this.
In this trip, we will prove them wrong.
Let's do it.
Yeah!
So we are here with our friend Anne-Marie, the Spinelli family, and we are now going to test out accessible transportation, the train taking from the airport to the hotel in downtown Denver. Tickets bought at the airport, now we're taking the train.
Not every city has public transportation from the airport. Denver is one of them.
We users love trains. They are normally much more accessible than airplanes. Now we are heading to the hotel and we are going to get ready for dinner at Brewability. We're here at Brewability, a one-of-a-kind brewery and pizzeria that's all about inclusion. This place was designed to be accessible for everyone, and the team proudly employs people of all ability.
It's going to Brewability last night, rolling in, and seeing a group of wheelchair users hanging out together. And I thought it was our crew. I thought it was the Wheel the World crew.
It's a community that celebrates diversity.
Good morning, everyone. So are you ready to head to Red Rocks?
We are here with very good friends, with Christy, with Chelsea, and we are going to start a session in which we are going to discuss the challenges, the successes, our needs when it comes to accessible travel, so we can inspire ourselves, learn from each other, and make people empathize with what are the needs for accessible travel.
Empower people with disabilities and their families to explore the world without limits.
57% of American adults are diagnosed with a disability in this country.
The discrimination we face as disabled people is not rooted in hatred. It's rooted in ignorance. And I knew that the only way to combat that is through providing education, through providing exposure and representation.
Not a disability campaign.
Let's talk about your destination in general and just put us on picture. I saw a
And don't even say anything. It just has to be there.
So we are here at the Red Rocks. Look at this beautiful view of the city. And we are here after an inspiring session, hearing cool stories, talking about accessibility and accessible travel. And now we are ready to see Paul McCartney here this night. No, I'm just kidding. But imagine to see here Paul McCartney, and it seems that they have good accessible spots to sit. So.
Nachi, you need to sing here.
I need to sing here. You guys got to book me.
Happy birthday, Mason!
Yay!
Might have to have a shoe boat here.
Yeah, what is happening?
Shoe on.
7 or 8 pairs of shoes for this trip.
It's like, I don't want to.
We're going kayaking today. I've never kayaked before. I'm very excited. They got us all set up. We got all the gear. We got all the people to help. top-notch operation, and I'm excited to get out on the water.
Are you going to kayak? Are you going alone? Ah. So what's this for?
This is a back of hand adaptation, meaning he can slide his hand in under this device, holding his hand to the paddle. It's also escapable if you were to come out of the boat. Reverse
Yeah, no, that's great.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Nice.
Trying to get a feel for. Yeah, I think we're good. I'm gonna fight the water.
Okay, this is the most exciting part of the trip. We are here with our friends of NSCD and we are doing kayaking here at the lake. Beautiful place, windy, so it's not that hot. And these guys are very professional. We feel fully confident to be safe kayaking here with all our friends. Thank you guys for what you do. We're tired about like transferring people heavy as me.
All right, we're here. We're about to go out on this giant paddleboard over here with all of us, and I am very excited. Steph, how you feeling?
Ready. I'm so ready.
Ezra, are you excited?
Yes.
Yes, you heard it right from here.
Let's do it.
Yeah. How excited are you about this, Ezra?
80,000.
80,000?
88,000.
88,000% excited! Yeah, let's go! Woo!
Bye, cheers.
We're out. We're voyaging.
We are voyaging. Paddle! Paddle! Paddle!
Yeah. Does it feel comfortable? Do you feel like you would like some support here? Control. How's that feel? Pretty good? I can go tighter, I can't go looser. Close, you won't get blown away.
And if somebody needs to rescue me,
I will. I'll chip in after.
Bye. Enjoy.
It was great.
You like it?
Yeah.
Enjoy?
Hey, look, that's who's having a blast.
Yeah. Wow, all the wheelchairs are empty because everyone is kayaking. Not everyone is kayaking. There's people making a photo shoot. Sexy. Love it. Chelsea! You look so cool.
Thank you. I feel so good. How do I not feel so good?
Molly, how was it?
so fun. Yeah, really fun.
You
A
wanna...
little wet, but it's nice and cool.
How was your kayak?
The wind was perfect, the sun was perfect, and then the wetness. You know, I got a little wet and that cooled me off, and it was like perfect.
Oh, it was lovely.
You enjoy it?
Beautiful baby.
What is that?
He's a little surprise.
Ah.
God bless you.
What is
What I needed.
You will?
Awesome.
Did the guys take care of you?
Of course they did.
It was your first time?
In a raft on a lake in Colorado. Yes.
Let's do some shopping before dinner.
Nice.
Does she still look really beautiful in that hat?
Yes. Aw, thank you. Ah. That look. Try it. Nice, Álvaro. You're a dinosaur now.
Let's head to dinner.
your biggest challenge when you travel?
There's lots of challenges. I really hate flying, and it's demoralizing. It's uncomfortable. I typically have autonomic dysreflexia the entire flight. I'm so uncomfortable. And then when I get to the destination, I have to rent a van for $200 a day. It just flying sucks as a wheelchair user, but you have to fly to get to the world. I can't drive everywhere I want to go, so you put up with it, but it sucks, and it needs to get better.
We're day 2 on the trip with Wheel the World in Denver. And we're actually at Meow Wolf. And I'm really looking forward to going into Convergence Station and seeing what they've got, because I hear such an amazing...
Thank you all to Wheel the World for bringing all of us together on this glorious day.
Some chicken from the aliens.
What I think is a really cool board that has us like over. Yeah. Yeah. And then so it goes up 3 steps, and then it's flat, and then back down a step or 2.
Ooh, it's cool in here. You guys should play it.
I don't know if it's there is. We'll go around to the right.
Feels like being under the ocean.
We're on the way to do some adaptive yoga, and I'm so excited to see what moves I'm going to do.
So scooching over, I can help.
Yeah, if you can help bring just slide those over first.
Cheers. There we go. All right. It's a slow ride.
I'm good.
You feeling okay? And we're gonna scooch right there and blanket under his head.
We're getting ready for yoga with Wheel the World, and I'm so excited to give this a try. It's gonna be my first time, and I'm really excited to see what this is like.
Yeah, nice to meet you, I'm Rachel.
Where's the...
We are getting to the floor. We haven't been on the floor in ages.
Oh, that's awesome. Welcome.
The last time that I was reliably on the floor was before my accident in
Have a
2018.
scooching finger out of under the seat. There we go.
In the way that works for you. It's going to add some guidance here. Inhale from the right up to the spot between your eyebrows. Exhale, golden thread down to the outside of the left nostril.
Yoga is more than movement. It's a way to connect with your body, mind, and breath. For wheelchair users and people with disabilities, yoga supports flexibility, reduces tension, and builds strength in the muscles you use every day while gently activating and stretching those you don't. Beyond the physical benefits, it offers balance, calm, and confidence, proving that wellness is for everyone, no matter your ability.
hope you feel the love here today and that it moves with you out into the world after class. Namaste.
My first yoga session, it was great. So relaxing. They were great at assisting me, helping move my legs for me, helping me get into some different positions. It was amazing.
I always love yoga. You get really stiff and sore sitting all the time.
Yeah.
The stretching really helps.
How was your yoga? Did you relax?
Feeling like we should go have some drinks.
And with that said, let's head to our last dinner.
I'm just looking around here, and this is amazing. Like we're all here because this guy right here, Alvaro, was like, it's not good enough. Like how I want to travel, I want to see the world, and how it is for people like us, it's not good enough. So look at this. We are all here making change, making things better because Alvaro was like, no, we got to do better. Just very lucky to be included on this and be part of this amazing group that's helping make travel better for everyone with a disability. It's making me cry. This is amazing. I've never experienced anything like this. I love it when he smiles. It's just, he's done so much for our community, and it's amazing to see this guy just sitting right there having a glass of wine, and the whole reason we're all here is because of his vision and his dream, and knowing that it's not good enough for people like us.
This was an incredible experience. We connected, we learned, we explored, and most importantly, we traveled without limits. See you on the next adventure.
Yeah!